In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit inventory information in QuickBooks. If you need to update the details of one of your inventory items, QuickBooks makes the process very straightforward. This is useful anytime you want to correct product information, adjust how an item is listed, or simply keep your records accurate and up to date. The important thing is knowing exactly where to go so you can make your changes quickly without confusion. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks screen and click on All Apps. This is where you can access the different tools and sections available in your account. If you're not sure where inventory settings are located, this is the easiest place to begin. Once you're in All Apps, select Inventory. This will open the inventory area where you can view the items currently set up in your system. Take a moment here to find the specific inventory item you want to update. It helps to double-check that you've selected the correct product before making any edits, especially if you manage a large number of items. When you've found the item you want to change, click Edit. This opens the item's details so you can update the information as needed. Depending on what you need to fix, you might be changing the item name, description, pricing, or other inventory-related details. As you make your updates, it's a good idea to review everything carefully so your inventory records stay clean and consistent. After you've made your changes, click Save. That will apply the update and store the new information in QuickBooks. Once saved, your edited inventory item should reflect the latest details you entered, and that's it. As you can see, editing inventory information in QuickBooks only takes a few clicks. Just go to All Apps, open Inventory, choose the item you want to edit, make your changes, and save. Keeping your inventory information accurate can help prevent mistakes, improve tracking, and make day-to-day business tasks much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.